Hello everyone, I'm Matilda and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a new game to play with parents. Ta-da! In this JONRRYIN case, we find a set of 74 pieces for everything you need to make nanotape bubble set. Magic nanotape set, nano double sided tape, blowing bubble tape with sequins sticker. Let's open. Stickers. Wow. A pump. A glitter. A little ball. A scissors. A glitter. A stickers emoji, instruction, tape, e the tape, bubble tape, the glitter, glitter pink, glitter blue, glitter yellow, let's make a bubble squish together. I choose light blue tape. Dad, can you help me, please?
Yes, Matilda, sure. Okay, Matilda, let's make a bubble squish together.
Yes, Dad.
Okay. We cut a piece of bubble.
Oops.
Okay. Now close the tape. Leave the plastic cover. Okay. Now with the hair dryer we warm up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow!
Wow! put the stickers on.
Yes! The emoji or the stickers?
The ones you want.
The stickers.
Okay, I go out.
Nah. 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 Yeah. Nah. Okay, choose the emoji. Cute, cute, cute. Haha. The mouth. It's simple, you see. Now we make a few bubbles. Very funny. Mom liked it too. Hello everyone, and see below the link to buy it. Bye bye.